Hello everyone, okay, welcome to this channel. Right, so right now I'm going to be showing you how to design this flyer right here. Okay, now we're going to be making use of pixelab. Now this design was actually done with canva, and we're going to replicate it in the pixelab pattern, and I want to show you how to do exactly the same design with your smartphone using pixelab this time. So let's get into work now. Alright, so what we need first of all is to get the background of it. Okay, this is YouTube thumbnail, right? Okay, so go to the color background color of this page. Okay, move it to where you're going to see color. Now you see color, you're going to tap on that plus sign, click on this pencil icon, come to the image, and you're going to move your cursor to this background and tap on good, and it's going to automatically bring the page, so you can see. Wow, number one magic. Right, so then next thing I'm going to do is we're going to get our shapes right now. Click on the shape sign. Let's go, let's bring out shapes. Okay, hit on that box. Okay, come, let's get shapes. You can see shapes. You can also get the shapes at the top corner there. Right, you can get your shapes here as well. Click on shapes. So we want to get this particular shape. All you just need to move your radius. Okay, move it curvy. Alright, so you're going to slant the image, make the shape, sorry, make it slanted, then you copy. Now that you've copied the image shapes into two, you have to reduce the size with relative size tool. Alright, so you can see reduce them and make them at least equal in size as you really reduce them. Then next thing you get to remove the make another copy again. This time also work on the sizes. Let's try to we try to make it replica of it. Yes, so you see the number on the width side 32. Alright, we check the other one to see if it's the same thing. Okay, so that they both can be of the same category. So you can see it's 28, so we have to bring it now. They are both the same. Alright, so we're going to move them together and give them the color that's fitting. Okay, now we use our pencil color that will give us, yes, pencil color that is going to give us the similar one. Okay, so click on the other image and let's go check it again. Alright, so you can see that color but the relative. Okay, yeah, try as much as possible to put it together in a good way. It really takes time to put it out to a good look. Alright, so next thing we have to go check our opacity on that menus there. So okay, so that's it. Now going to position it. Okay, trying to fit it into very okay position. So that's what we are following. Now we have to shift the shape this way and give it a relative size too. Right, after then take it a bit up, then check the color, then use also pencil point to give it the color. Can you see? So match it in between the shapes. Okay, yeah, so you can see we're progressing. Alright, so make it a bit bigger. Okay, so that other yellow can go in. Right, now for it to be the same, you have to make sure you take a look at all the other sizes so they can be of equal width and height. Okay, so you can see, and alright, put it in there, together, meshed. So we're going to make shape now for our text. Yeah. So because at the later on we're going to merge them. So see, we're going to copy two of it, the shape, rectangular shape. Okay. Yeah, we are going to put our text. We'll change the background color right now. I'm going to change the background color. I'm going to see similar to it. All right. So this has two. Alright, giving us this. Then go to our text, bring out a new text, right click it and write okay, let's see, let's do this dot sign first. Alright, now if you notice this dot sign is on that page, so you can see okay, so see that I want to replicate that. We are going to use our text size to reduce it. I'm going to rearrange it. So we're going to increase our text size. Check for padding. Let's use bold first. Bolding it. Yeah, okay, padding now. Alright. Sure. Yeah, so the next thing we're going to do now is you go to aligning, space aligning, so you can align the space, alright, between them. So you're going to see they're going to be the same again. Use that, see space in this one, you can see. Alright, so now the button is out. Now let's turn it. Wow. Alright, so can you see? Yeah, so wow, so you see it. Alright, so the next thing, we've gotten that. Yes, so lock it. Also shift it first. Let's shift it. Okay, let's continue and make another text. So we're going to write that same text using using okay, we're going to still give it color, give the text fonts also. Alright, there are a lot of fonts on pixelab. You can also download fonts. Alright, I have some downloaded fonts here. Okay, so you can download some of them, you can check a lot of them, but I'm making use of this. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, so we're going to align it. Alright, okay, Okay, shift it. Alright, so you can see now we're still going to change the color. Now we're going to put the color. Yes, alright, so you can see take the color to the green. Right, yeah, tick the good and okay. So we have it here, we have it here, we have it here. Going to okay, so you see I'm going to change the font that has that shaded color in. Okay, no. Let's check it again. Pick exactly right. I think yes it is. All right, so you can see the text. It is. Then lock it. So we're going to merge it on top later, and they get to be floating together. Yes, so that's the reason for merging. All right, so here comes another text. Okay. Alright. So we're going to change the text. Okay, text, make it bold. Okay, make it bold. Then the font. Alright, so and this now, so position it relatively right, then get the font. Right, font that goes proper with it. Okay, yeah, the font. Alright, so let's check. Okay, yeah, onboard it. Okay, so onboard it, then come to text size. So increase the text size. Alright, then color, trying to make it, let's pick it, pick. Okay, so it has picked. Right, it has picked. Then reduce the shape color. No, sorry, the shape size. And now this is the shape size, then the text. Later on we're going to merge it. Okay, so you already know how to merge, but if you don't know how to merge, there's no problem because I'm still going to show you that, right, when the time comes for us to do that. Okay, so I'm trying to get the shape. Okay, alright, let's adjust a bit so you can see. So you can see the shape. Okay, train the position is very okay. You get, so yeah, having a network, right, it takes time to do your work. I think very perfect and precise. So we're gonna click on relative size. Okay, so I put it in that. Okay, so once that is done, click on the lock sign. Let's see which of them. Let me get the text line. Yes. Then spacing. That's the spacing. Trying to get to check. Then let's move on to the next one. The green shape. What the text will be on top is okay. So here you see it. I'm going to work on the text right now by changing the font. Alright, so now I've done that. Then the next thing is the size enlargements. Reduce it. Okay, so what will be bold, but we're going to bring it down. Position it. So now just take a look at what we're going to do right now. I want to know the text and the particular shape for each of them so we can merge. Okay, so that we can merge. Remember, as soon as we merge, you can't edit that work again because it has already been merged unless you have to undo that work. Okay, so now we have known. I want to know which of them. Okay, let's go to the text again. Okay, right now, so it can be complete. Okay, so we check for the the font bold. Okay, yes. Then the font, going to pick from our varieties as well. They actually make it of different fonts, a lot of fonts. So those depending on what you are designing, alright. But for this, not that. Okay. So the next now is okay. So line spacing to make some adjustments, alright. Okay, just take a look at it. Alright, so after this you're still going to see what is going to be next. Okay, so you can see every of these things we have them set. Now we're going to be working on merging. Alright, okay, so let's hide that. Now we have what we had. Now to start our own result out. So merge, click on this bottom side. Let's merge each of the text and icon. Okay, let's see, merge that and the second one. Okay, so I want to merge this one. Alright, arrange it, because if you finish merging it and you want to shift it, it's going to be possible, right? So let's merge that, merge this, yes, and the text, yeah. So click on merge, it's going to merge, and you can see it moves together. Okay, so we're going to do the other one, the same thing too. Merge this and yeah, okay, merge. Okay, so you can see it's working together, right? So you can see, so we're going to get our own work. It's, remember, it's a thumbnail, so we're using smartphone to replicate that right now. So let's okay, no, we have to make this one again too. Alright, okay, let's position it properly. Remember, I said when you merge, it's done. Okay, so you have to set your work first before merging. Okay, so let's see which of this shape is for this particular one. Okay, no, okay, so we have that. We're going to merge that and the text as well, and voila, that's done. Okay, so you can see it's already working that way, and you can know the next one to do. Let's shift it upward, then take that a bit upward, okay, and fix it there. Okay, so now that is done, we're going to merge the other shapes together, merge them. Okay, shift. Okay, going to merge it together. Now that is merged. Okay, let's see it, shift it a bit. Okay, remember I said before you merge, always make sure it's in right shape. Okay, yeah, it's necessary, very very necessary to put your things in order before merging. Okay, so now we're going to merge both of them and click on merge. Okay, merge it, so you see everything working together with ease. Okay, so that's what I said, everything together. So we're going to arrange them, put them together, and get it working along. So you can see we have it. Okay, so let's position it where, take it to the front. Okay, so you can see it's in the front. Okay, then going to shift the positioning, take it to the feet. You have to use your cursor to move your, this arrow to move it perfectly, because when you use your hands on the screen, it wouldn't be able to get the exact work. Okay, we just have to shift it along it, okay, before putting it together. Then so you can see now we merged everything. So we have two of it right now. So if you see, to think they are the same, but we actually used pixelab for one and we use canva for the other one. Okay, so you can see getting the same thumbnail with a pixel lab. Okay, alright, let's shrink it quite a bit. Okay, so So we're going to bring it we're going to take it back. I want to bring it to a thumbnail feature. This is how you set it to dimension. This for PNG or JPEG, right? That's when you want to save it. So but right now we don't want to save. Before we round up this last thing, this one, yes. Okay, so what we just need to do is go to shapes, okay, reduce the size. Wow, so you can see the color, that shape. We've gotten the angle shapes just like that. This is how you get it. We erase the inner part and get the outer one, right? At this point now, we're trying to make sure you get the right position to fit it. So getting the right size, a relative size, okay, to 3. Okay, let's say 4 is okay. Then you're going to position it very well. Remember I said always use your arrow so you can have exact guide, okay, and fitting in position, okay. Yeah, so that's done. Then we're going to merge it and we got it done. Okay, so you can see so we did it from scratch with pixelab, just when we use canva. So we have it, and that's it. Alright, so we want to get it to thumbnails. Okay, you click on image size, come to custom, onto YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so you can see the shape. This is exactly what we did, what we have there. I'm going to resize it. So how to position it? Okay, put it in a position that is going to make you go. We are going to enlarge, stretch it. Okay, let's put it here. Then we stretch it. We're going to stretch it a bit. Okay, use your arrow. You can see what I said. With this arrow, you'll be able to move it. So when you use the arrow, it can move right. Alright, so you can see we have our work. Now we're going to save it. We've saved it and we're going to go to our gallery. This is my gallery, pixelab. Click on it and you can see we have it done with pixelab, just as it is on canva.